Hello friends, welcome to Abhi's Reviews. In this video, we'll be discussing about a particular book, like study material provided by IDP for IELTS preparation. So whenever you join book a slot for the examination, so IELTS is basically done for two options. One is for academic, one is for general purpose actually. For higher education abroad, people will ask some scores basically, and another is that like for job and or some English speaking countries, they usually ask that. Okay, so let's see like when I booked the IELTS slot for the exam, I opted for computer based, so everything typing and everything will be done on computer, not a paper based test. Okay, so when I see this book, I think that there is no coaching needed for your preparation. So once you book, like make sure you book before like 30 days or something, because 4 to 5 days you will be getting this book. So using this book, so you can easily prepare for your IELTS exam. Okay. So let's see. So Cambridge emblem also everything is there. In audio also available there, so you can download that link and details they will provide there. So how to download the audio? You can use the particular link in your book and you can download it. And another thing, important contents actually. So we know that there will be 4 steps in IELTS, reading is there, listening is there, writing is there, and speaking also there. Okay, so there will be like different tests is provided. Uske baad, after that audio scripts are provided, like listening and reading answer keys they have provided. So that format they have used, because anyway these people conduct the exam, so they give an exact exam point of view. Okay, so basically basically you can see that what is a test format actually. Academic reading, how much time, academic writing, how much time they allocated, and general training. And so this is another content actually. Speaking, there is 11 to 14 minutes will be allotted actually. So this test format is for listening. Okay, so listening is simple. Like they will play an audio note, that won't be repeated. So you have to simultaneously answer the questions. There will be fill in the blanks kind of test is there. Okay, there are different kind of tests they have, and there is a different kind of scores. Like if you get 9 is the highest, not 10. So you'll be an expert user, and 8 is a very good user, and 7 is a good user. So I given the exam just to try my luck and all. So I got good user without any coaching actually. So anybody can get above 7 very easily if you just simply basic English and all. Not that easy, but you have to be if you prepared, you will get it. That is the thing actually. Okay. So most of the abroad institutions will ask around 5.5 to 6.5. 6.5 is minimum for most of the place. So if you get more than 6.5, it's really good. Okay. And how the scoring is given, that is all. They will take on an average of the total score. Okay. So the basic ideas they have provided that. Now you can see the format. This is a listening, 40 questions are there. They will be start playing an audio. So I have to keep on answering in between what is whatever they in the conversation. Basically somebody is calling somebody and inquiring something. Those kind of stuff will be there, and different methods also there. Part 1, part 2, part 3. So total around 40 questions will be there, and part 4. So this is the way the listening test is conducted. And next one is speaking. They will give a that is also the format also they have given. So basically I'm doing the book review, so I'll just go through the thing. And so basically this book, the whole 4 test formats, they have given practice questions which is already asked in the previous question paper. Because these people are conducting the examination, you will get exact test format. Okay, so you can easily go through this thing, and you don't need to go and purchase some course. They will be okay, 10k in Indian rupees, 10,000, 15,000 for paying for this. This is 100% free. You just book a slot for this particular thing before 1 month or something. You will get it, this particular book, courier by your home, and you can easily practice this thing. So I just gone through this book around, prepared for 3-4 days only. So I got a band of 7. Okay, so that kind of stuff is important. For speaking, you have to do some practice actually. It's simple. There is audio notes and all those stuff is there. You can go to their website. There is a free test available and free speaking modules also there. So easily you can prepare. Okay, so I thought I will explain this particular book with you. So kind of diversify my book review in my channel. If you like this video, do like it, as well as any questions regarding this particular thing, you can ask me in the comment section. And one more thing, I prefer the computer based test actually. Most of the people prefer the pen and paper thing, but best I can say that computer based is very good. Even for the writing test, it will show how many letters you are typing. There will be word limit, 150 words, 250 words. So computer helps a lot if you are good at computer like typing and all. So it's more than fine actually. Okay, thank you so much for watching this video. Bye bye.